Okay, this is take treat 3. I'm going to talk to you guys about the ELA assignment notebook that I just created for you guys. My first take was 16 minutes. I thought I could go shorter than that, but the second take ended up 20 minutes. So I'm going to try to go below 16 minutes. I'm going to try my best. I'm probably going to go too fast. If that's the case, you're just going to have to ask me questions and let me know how I can help you. Okay, because I don't want to make this 20 minutes or 16 minutes. All right, here's your ELA assignment notebook, term 4. Okay, this is going to help you get organized. One of the we've talked about character traits, right? This year, character traits are 1 or 2 words that describe a person's personality or how they are on the inside. So one of the character traits that I really value or really admire in people, this is a type of person that is proactive, right? Proactive is someone who is not helpless. Proactive is someone who takes power, who takes their power and uses it to succeed in life and go forward in life. Right? They are not helpless because they choose not to be helpless. They're taking action to help themselves move forward. So in this case, in our class, it's proactivity to help, or being proactive will help you make a good grade. So if you follow these steps, depending on how late you've joined the class or how you've done in some of the work or participation or attendance, you should be able to make an 85 or higher if you follow these steps. So speaking of the steps, before I go to the steps, it's very important. This is the most up-to-date collection as of tonight, May 4th. What time is it? 9:43 p.m. Okay, you are responsible for any new assignments. Okay, they will be posted on Google Classroom. They will not go onto this document. If you do want to add them to this document, ask me and I will help you add it or try to figure it out yourself. All right. Key is that you are responsible for any new assignments, and there should only be 2 more new assignments anyway leading up to the 17th, but you are responsible for them. All you need to do now is first of all, here's your tabs at the bottom. HWE means homework, EC means extra credit, vids are videos, plan, anything with plan is your week planner. All right. Now you know what now that you know what the tabs are, these are the 10 steps that you will follow. This is the order of how I want you to do things. Please stick to this order. You're watching this how to use this notebook video, so you can click on 1. You're going to go to HW tab, which is, let me be specific there, the HW tab, okay, which is homework. So click on, well, let's just click that because we're going to do it now. So here we are. Okay, so that's 2 steps already. Very important. Follow these steps 1 through 10. Be really strict. Any boxes that have a yellow in them, if you put, like number 4, if you put your mouse over it, there'll be a note next to it. So 4, I want to say it's optional, but I'm going to leave it, okay? And not write optional. I want you to try it, okay? So 4, the comment says this is so important and I highly recommend this. And I'll talk about planning later. 1 through 10, okay? Only when you've finished 1 through 10 can you go to 11. Once you've done 11 and you're happy with 11, go to 12. Notice how number 12 is do any extra credit. The priority is not the extra credit. The priority is getting your graded homework assignments done and scored with good grades, okay? You have a lot of my assignments give you the opportunity to redo them and rewrite them for better scores. Reminders are here. I'll only talk about 1. I'll have you read the rest of them. The most important reminder is that you do your 45 minutes of iReady. Guess what? You only have 2 weeks left of iReady. Awesome, right? Those are 2 easy 100s. So get your 45 minutes in this week. Get your 45 minutes in next week. Okay? So now let's go to step 3, right? We already did 1 and 2. We're going to decide how to prioritize our HW, our homework list. So click on homework. Okay. Now we're we want to prioritize means to figure out which is more important. So I've already done that for you, but I've already set it up and sorted this list by the priority. So all the highs are together, all the lows are together, all the mediums are together. Why do I have it sorted by priority? Right now, that's my personal preference. If I'm looking at my homework list, I want to start personally myself with the high priorities, the ones that I should do first, the most important ones. That's why I have them grouped together. Okay? If you wanted to do it differently and start with the low priorities so that there's a little bit less pressure for you, then you can start with the lows, the greens, right? If I wanted to sort things by the type, I go to the type box at the top. I click on the downward triangle, and I can sort from A to Z. Okay, so now the assignments have changed, right? So we see E to W. So this is A to Z, right? Alphabetical. Click on that down triangle. You can sort backwards. Z to A. Writable to E to Edpuzzle. So say I wanted to just see the assignments that are for writable. Or sorry, just the quizzes assignments. Say I just wanted to see the quizzes assignments. So I'm going to clear everything. Click on clear. Wait. Oh, clear. Yeah. Clear should take away all of the check marks. And if the only thing I want to see is quizzes, or are the quizzes assignments, I click on quizzes. And then I click OK. And there you go. You've got only quizzes assignments. You can focus on the 2 high priority ones or on the low ones. Okay. If I want to bring everything back, I click on that downward thing again, and I click select all. Okay, there it is. I can also sort by level. All right, so easy, hard, or medium. If I just want to see the hard ones, I clear, select hard. There it goes. Only 3 that are hard. Okay, and sort it any way you want. I'm leaving this up to you guys. You can sort by date, from March to May, or backwards, May to March. You can't sort by emoji because they're all stars, and this is what you see on Google Classroom. Anything with a star is a homework. So now you've done a bunch of them, all right? So let's pretend that you've done all of the medium ones, right? So you're gonna click check, check, check. Okay? So now you can just leave it like that, or you can click on that downward triangle next to finished, and if you unclick true, because true in this case means that you've done it. If you unclick true and leave the check mark next to false, click OK, you will see only the ones that you've done. If you want to see just the ones that you haven't, just the ones that you have done, click on true, and then unclick false, and you will see the ones that you have done. Again, to bring it back, select all, OK. So now I'm going to leave it sorted by priority, but you change it the way you want to. Okay, it's up to you. For any of the quizzes assignments, you know that you can redo them as many times as you want. My preference for you would be to just at least do the assignment once, all right, and move on through the steps of number 10. Number 11 lets you go back and redo any of the quizzes assignments and the writing assignments. So it's up to you. So when you do an assignment on quizzes, you can check it when you've done it for the first time, or you can check it when you're finished with it and you're happy with your highest grade. Just remember, I take your highest grade. And that's it. Same thing with extra credit, right? It looks like a purple heart on Google Classroom. It's sorted by priority for you, but you can sort it however you want. Slides are any presentations that I've done in class. You can click on them and you can go through the presentation yourself. They are all quizzes presentations. So you can just go at your own speed and you can answer the questions however quickly. Well, no, there's still time, but you can answer the questions just like as if it were in class. Okay, and again, if it's a quizzes presentation, you can also redo it as many times as you want. Videos are here. The priority is the one with the star, and that's high. Okay, so look at that. This one, number 6, deconstructing prompts. It's got HW, it's got a star, and it's a high priority. So I would do that first, right? I need you to I need you to memorize the 3 steps of deconstructing a prompt as soon as you can. Okay, so that you become comfortable making T-charts like tomorrow, by Wednesday, by end of tomorrow, Wednesday, or as soon as you can. That's my priority. Okay, so you can do the same thing. There's links. There's going to be a few things here that are not done yet because I haven't done it yet. And there's going to be more videos. I will tell you about those videos. They will be posted on Google Classroom. They will not update on this file unless you want it to. So you have to add it yourself, or you tell me and I will help you add it. Planner. Do the planner. This planner is for the week of May 3rd, which is this week, right? Now, you're probably not used to planners, or if you've used them before, you probably think they suck. And they suck if you don't use them right. The only thing I ask is for you to give it a try, okay? Because I know you guys are overwhelmed. We ask a lot of you. We ask a lot of you. So try using this planner. It will help. You know, I still use a planner every day. All right, here's my planner. This is my week view, right? And this is just for LSP. I also have a calendar for my personal stuff and a calendar for my University of Mississippi stuff, and they're different colors, right? I don't mix them up, so I have to log in another login. But then I can see also, I can do it by day, I could do it by month, all right? I love using planners. They help me so much, right? So here's how I would recommend using it. First of all, I highly recommend putting in times that you will be eating or taking a break. So 11 to 12 every day will be lunch. I want to literally type lunch. I want to copy this across the board. So that's Friday, Wednesday. Okay. Put in lunch. At some point, you're going to do dinner, so try to find a time that you will definitely eat dinner. Try your best. Okay. A planner will only work if you stick with it. All right? You can change things, but try not to. Okay. Try to plan everything out for the next few days and stick with it. So let's pretend I want to focus on my homework and I want to do something in the high priority list. I want to do my iReady. I'm going to click on the iReady assignment. I'm going to right click it, click on copy, go back to the planner, and I'm going to do it Wednesday after school from 3 o'clock to 3:45. So, okay, for some reason it doesn't let me paste. I don't know why. So normally you should right click and you should be able to click paste. I hope you'll be able to do that, but if you can't, on the Chromebook, I believe it's control, hold down the control button and press the letter V. Okay. If that doesn't work, just search in Google how to paste on Google Chrome and it will show you. Okay, I'm going to put it at the start of the 3 o'clock hour, and since it's 45 minutes, I'm also going to put it in the second half of the 3 o'clock hour. All right, so I'll just be doing 45 minutes, but at least that most of that hour is blocked. Now, these are too big, so what I need to do is select both and select a small font. So number 7 usually works, right? So some of them are too long. If they're too long still, even after you've made it small, let's see if I can figure it out. Hold on. Where is it? All right, I'm not going to figure it out now, and I don't want to waste time. So make it as small as you can and still be able to read it, right? That's the 45 minutes right there that you're going to do already. Okay, if you copy a link, right click, and where's the copy? Copy. It will show up as a link, which is cool because you can just use your planner and work from your planner. See, right there. All right, let me get these out of the way. So the key about the planner is that you sit down and you take the time to use it to plan it out. Plan your lunches, your breakfast, your dinners. Plan your breaks. Make sure you give yourself breaks. Put your ELA assignments in here, what you want to focus on, following steps 1 through 10. And also put your other classes assignments, right? So you probably don't have this sort of document for any of your other classes, but try your best. If you want to block out an hour of time just for math on Thursday afternoon, for example, and you don't know what exactly you want to work on, but you know that you want to work from 4 to 5. So the first half hour, 4 o'clock to 4:30, I put math, and then 4:30 to 5, I put math. There you go. All right. Sit down, take the time to plan this thing, and stick with it as best as you can. Do a few days at a time. And don't forget to plan your weekends too. Take advantage of them. Yes, still take breaks. Definitely more on the weekends, but don't do nothing. And that's it. Hopefully this is less than 16 minutes. I feel like it's still a little bit long. I will try. No, this will be my last take. It's too late. Follow the 10 steps. If you have any questions, as always, just let me know. Thanks for watching.